So I was in this wedding and this asking people were serving all kinds of food, jollof rice, white rice and sauce, okwa, ofo onubo, and semo. I was about to order rice when my koro eyes caught glimpse of this lake of temptation. Oh, give me the abacha. My mind instantly encountered change. Hey, abacha will be fine. I called out to this lady while still maintaining speed. In a twinkle of an eye, everywhere I come marama. This temptation even had lots of omo and tea. The exact way I like it. I wanted to wash my hand and do it the native way. Immediately you put more in if Naya where at the skis. Just wearing my spoon, take it some bite, something near my tongue some chalk. Akanwu inside Abacha. When you come made this thing, that's like kissing Gary on a birthday cake now. Now, imagine the look on your guest's face when you serve them a beautiful moist cake, only for them to take a bite and discover that it has the gritty salt taste of Gary. Although not funny at all. Now, some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Potash is just an ingredient in Upam ingredients. But brother your share, they are close. Potash is not just any ingredient, it is a highly alkaline salt that is harmful to your health. It is highly corrosive and can damage your digestive system, cause stomach ulcers, and even lead to kidney and liver problems. And you know what is even more shocking? Some people actually think they have flavor to abacha. Inupam flavor. That's not flavor, my friend. That's a recipe for disaster. Think about this. Our ancestors didn't need potash to make delicious abacha. They use natural ingredients like oba, fish, and ogiri to create a dish that is both nourishing and flavorful. So why do we need to add these harmful substances to our food? Personally, I don't add potash to my abacha. I simply heat my oil and ingredients on low heat, mix it, and it still comes out very delicious. It is time to wake up, people. Let's go back to our roots and start cooking with natural ingredients. Our health on our taste bud will thank us. And to all the abacha sellers out there, please, for the love of our health, leave out the potash. We don't want it. We don't need it. That makes your own abacha in your house. Be cool. Leave potash out of it. When you went to Yatiko, no,